So I woke up few minutes back. I'll say the time from here. I'll get cooked if I get that. It's 13:45. So uh, I found this right. I told you the day they did the defamation, wearing the striped T-shirt. Someone leaves this T-shirt. I got this T-shirt in my what do you call it, in that room, in my brother. So they leave back this T-shirt. Huh? So I wore this after the surgery, before the surgery in Chembur. Then Instagram post is also there. It's from 2015. My workout is also there. And then this t-shirt I'm wearing it in 2020 with my cousin and everything. So me to don't know over here, anyone over here. Huh? So the day they defame me in front of the press, wearing that t-shirt, whatever the AI shit, whatever they do. But it is getting reversed. I'll tell you what happened. So that day I found this. That was the day I found this. So AI shit guy. So he wants to say those shooting footages are his. Everything is his. That means his name is Yogendra Nikare, right? He wants to say this. Huh? Then those emails were made by him. He went into their prostitution racket. The account he claims, the account used to drop surveillance. That means he used to drop those surveillance. He wants to say this, right? He used to drop those surveillance outside my house. Is that so? Huh? And he was living in that house. Is that so? Hearing this word. And this t-shirt, they stole it because I found out that half of the bungalow which we sold, it's a duplex. Down the owner is staying, and above the he gave it on rent. Hearing this word. So that's why the video was made, and I was the t-shirt wearing this, and took that snaps and make a video of it for my ex from Dubai. So I made it for in 2020. So it was in the laptop with the other work. So they want to claim it, same as my images, videos, everything. What nutcase he is. So he wants to say that he is that chap from the video. How old is he and when he is born? He's fucking going into identity fraud very badly. So that's why he have to defame me, and he must have done the same thing, the press thing, the copyright and everything. But who is he to do this? A con. But the same con took money from 50,000 people in Chembur. The same con man, the same identity fraud guy, took money from 50,000 people, distributed in prostitutes, and those prostitutes are his witnesses. They know that's the guy Yogendra Nikare. Those prostitutes are the witnesses. You get this word? It's not my burden. And they don't want me to go to press because those were the people who organized murder attempt to do this identity fraud. You got this? Murder attempt, face smash, stealing of clothes, entering that house and claiming that house, claiming that X account. So he was the one who was dropping surveillances. He wants to say this. There were Handore Karyakarta people also in front of the house. So he was dropping it. Young is right. So some tranny cunt is playing, and he was the one who was going into the prostitution racket, emailing to police that he has been there and so event has happened. He was the one. So that tranny cunt was an, what do you call it? He's an AI shit. First he was a tranny, then he became a scammer, then he wants to become a film star, wants to become me, then a film star. And his real base is he's a tranny cunt. He only knows few AI tools, and he is good at stealing clothes, being in a disguise. Like someday he's a woman and someday he's a man. So that's the shit. He got to deal with those 50,000 people now. That's the con who took money from 50,000 people, because those guys have the files and they might be having the text messages as well. You give me his room number, I'll drop it right away. Because money has been. What can I do? The people who got the file, they got just like that. No, scammers have took money from them. The same way they took money from these people who bought my life. Took the animated papers and bought my life. They sold my life, these people bought my life. Then deal with this shit now.